Hey all my tidy people, welcome back to Tidy with Toya. This your girl Toya here with a 30-minute tidy up on a work from home day. So I hope you all enjoy.
Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go.
So before we get too far into the video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Toya. I am a married, full-time working mom of boy-girl twins. I live here in Missouri, and I create cleaning, organizing, twin mom lifestyle type content. If this is something that interests you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and join my family. I would love to get to know you. Leave a comment below if you are new and just let me know that you're here watching. For all my returners, thank you so much for coming back week after week and supporting my channel. This is also the video that I am going to announce the winner of the giveaway that happened a couple weeks ago. I took a break last week because the twins' birthday was on April 4th. So I will be announcing the winner in this video a little bit later.
Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late.
So everything that I am cleaning up here today, this is typically how my house looks on a work from home day. I kind of neglect the kitchen. I let the twins do whatever they want to. They are napping right now, which is why I'm trying to hurry up and try to do a quick clean. But yeah, I kind of neglect everything because I am working, and then I take about 30 minutes of my lunch break to kind of tidy everything up while they are napping. So this is just a quick kitchen clean, and then clean up the living room. I didn't vacuum in this video because I try to save that until later because they're always going to get something on the floor. So I vacuum a little later, so when you see the after shot, you'll still see a couple things on the floor, but that's because I'm going to vacuum later, so I don't have to vacuum several times throughout the day.
Come home, don't wait up, 'cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. Tonight I'm in it for the big fun. This time I'm bringing out the big guns. Bang bang, they wonder can I get some. What I got's for everyone. Yeah, sit down and get to know the sofa. Stand up when it's taking over. Come here if you was getting sober. What I got's for everyone. Yeah. Where you'll find me, a galaxy away from my hometown. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait know what my name is. Blah blah, oh, mumble when I say shit. Calm down, don't fight me for the next hit. Got enough for everyone. Take a blow, have another one. Take it slow, can you save me some? On the floor, end up when we're done. Yeah, it's a lot for everyone. In the bathroom, in the kitchen, on the balcony is where you'll find me. A galaxy away from my hometown. I'm way up on that coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, I'm way up on that coke and rum.
So the winner of the giveaway of the Old Cedar mop system were the Jaws Ultimate Cleaning Pack is the one and only my BFF, Stella Johnson. In the comments, you'll see her as Stella Henley, but her name is Stella Johnson. And she has been here supporting my channel from day one. And so I definitely appreciate Stella, and you are the winner, ma'am. So we will be in touch about you choosing which one you want. But congratulations. Thank you for your support.
Take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice on every sign. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice on every sign. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and why. Like bum bum bum, throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice on every sign. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice on every sign. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice on every sign. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice on every sign. Shining like your ice on every sign. Bum, 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 bum. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like on money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy.
So as you all all can see here, I have a new toy organizer. This toy organizer, I don't know if it was a good or a bad idea, because they actually see all the toys at one time, and so they take them all out at once. And actually the TV stand that you see there, I no longer have it there because my son broke another part of that little, stand. It's not even a TV stand, really, it's a storage unit, but he broke another part of it, and so I had to get another TV stand. So you'll see that in one of my future videos. But let me know in the comments how you organize your children's toys. We do not have a playroom, and so everything is either the living room or their room, and right now they can't be trusted having toys in their room. So right now it's just the living room and in their closet locked away in their room. So let me know how you organize your toys and how you maximize space in your place to store your children's toys.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, boy, you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up. Why I go on your section when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, yeah, you took it all night. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, yeah, you took it all night.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on. Hooking up with someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend.
Thank you all for joining me with this quick 30-minute tidy up. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a single video that I post. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, stay tidy.
Let me go, why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages.